Strong wind relieving pose. Feet together, toes and ankles touching. Shift your weight into your left foot, straight and strong. Raise the right knee and press the right knee into the palm. Release to center. Shift your weight into your right leg, straight and strong. Lift the left knee and press your knee into the palm. Engage the glutes, the quads. Engage your core, shoulders back and down. And from the side, feet together, toes and ankles touching. And lift the right knee. Feeling the pressure from your knee on your palm. Release to center. And lift the left leg. Right leg straight and strong.